Guglielmo Marconi, inventor of radio.
Good evening everyone, good evening ma'am, and I am Dango Ferendahera, and my teammate is Alvin Gipalago and Markian Buton. I am here to introduce you what is our topic, and we decided our topic is radio. So we're excited to talk about what radio and why is it important and the invention of it, and we will breaking down the basic from how radio works to its history and how it's evolved over time. So stay tuned and let's dive into fascinating world of radio together. Let's go!
Let me introduce to guys who invented the radio. Italian inventor Guglielmo Marconi became known across the world as the most successful inventor in applying radio waves to human communication in 1890s. In 1895, he sent a wireless Morse code message to a source more than a kilometer away. He continued to work on his new invention in 1896. He took out a patent for the first wireless telegraphy system in England. Other inventors in Russia and the United States were working on similar devices, but over the next decade, Marconi made the right political and business connection to gain the first real global acclaim for his development of radio. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his contribution to the Great Leap in global communication in 1911.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Markian Imbuton. To add more information about radio, Guglielmo Marconi, many people were interested in wireless communication, but it was Marconi who first developed a working system. At home in Bologna, he was sent and received the first radio signal. After Marconi's travel in Britain to commercialize his system by 1899, he sent first wireless telegraph signal across the English Channel, and by 1901, he was able to send a single letter S across the Atlantic Ocean from England to Newfoundland, Canada in this humble sibilant way radio was born, and so Marconi won the Nobel in 1909. In fact, Nikola Tesla developed a working radio system even before Marconi, but it was Marconi's that took off commercially. Radio broadcast soared in popularity and became profitable thanks to advertising.